Hello everyone. Today we will discuss human adrenal gland. Human adrenal gland. So the human body contain a pair of adrenal gland. Human body contain a pair of adrenal glands. A pair of adrenal gland. Glands present in human being. So the human being contain a pair of adrenal glands is presenting. A pair of adrenal gland presenting in human beings. Next one. So it is presenting in the above the kidney. It is located above the kidney. Above the kidney. See the diagram. So these are the kidney. So the kidney. So in this region, so these are the adrenal gland. These are the adrenal gland. So these are the kidney. So the adrenal gland. So the adrenal gland is presenting on the above the kidney. So the one kidney presenting on the one adrenal gland, other kidney presenting on the another adrenal gland. So the human being contain a pair of adrenal glands present in human beings. So they are location from the above the kidney. They are presenting on the above the kidney. Next one. So these kidneys, adrenal gland is called as suprarenal glands. Adrenal gland is called as suprarenal glands. Adrenal gland is called suprarenal glands. Suprarenal gland. So the adrenal gland is called as suprarenal gland because of, so they are the presenting on the superior side of the kidney. Kidney means a renal organ. So they are the renal organ. So they are presenting on the superior region. So the adrenal gland is called as suprarenal gland. Suprarenal gland. Adrenal gland is called as suprarenal gland because of, so this adrenal gland is presenting on the superior region of the kidney. Superior region of the kidney. So this is called as suprarenal gland. Suprarenal gland. Next one. So the adrenal gland. The adrenal gland, they contain two types of tissue. Adrenal gland contain two types of tissue. Adrenal gland contain two types of tissues. So the adrenal gland contain two types of the tissues. So the adrenal gland contain two types of tissues. So the adrenal gland contain two types of the tissues. See the diagram. So these are the adrenal gland. So the adrenal gland contain two types of the tissue. So these are the outer one. So the outer tissue is called, these are the outer one, outer tissue. So the outer tissue called adrenal cortex. So the outer tissue is called as adrenal tissue. The central tissue. So these are the central tissue. So this central tissue is called as adrenal medulla. Adrenal medulla. So the adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. So the outermost tissue is called as adrenal cortex. Outer tissue is called adrenal. medulla. Outer tissue is called as adrenal medulla. So it is origin from the mesodermal in origin. It is origin from the mesodermal in origin. It is origin from the mesodermal in origin. Mesodermal in origin. Outer cortex, so the outermost tissue. So they are the outermost tissue. So these outermost tissue is called as adrenal cortex. Outermost tissue. So these are the adrenal cortex. So the origin from the mesodermal in origin. Next one, central located tissue. Central located tissue. Central located tissue is called adrenal. So these are the adrenal cortex. Next one, middle tissue is called as central located tissue is called as adrenal medulla. Adrenal medulla. Adrenal medulla. So this adrenal medulla is origin from the ectodermal in origin. Ectodermal in origin. So they are origin from the ectodermal in origin. So the adrenal gland. So they contain two types of the tissues. Two types of the tissues. So the outermost tissue is called as adrenal cortex. So the centrally located tissue is called as adrenal medulla. So the outermost adrenal cortex is origin from the mesodermal in origin. So the outer adrenal cortex is origin from the mesodermal in origin. So the centrally located adrenal medulla. So these are origin from the ectodermal in origin. Ectodermal in origin. So first studying adrenal cortex. First studying adrenal cortex. Adrenal cortex. So these adrenal cortex. So the adrenal cortex. So in this region, so they are the outermost tissue of the adrenal gland is called as adrenal cortex. So they contain three types of the layers or zones. They contain three types of the zones. It contain three types of zones or layers. Layers. First one, outer one. Outer one is the zona glomerulosa. Outer one is the zona glomerulosa. Zona glomerulosa. Zona glomerulosa. Middle one, zona fasciculata. Zona fasciculata. Inner one, third one, inner one, inner zona reticularis. Zona reticularis. So the adrenal cortex. So the adrenal cortex contain three types of the regions. Three regions is presenting. One outermost zona glomerulosa. Next one, middle one zona fasciculata. Inner one zona reticularis. Zona glomerulosa, zona reticularis, and zona fasciculata. First one. So these adrenal cortex are releasing many hormones. Releasing many hormones. So these hormones is called as corticoids. These hormones is called as corticoids. These cortex releasing hormones is called as corticoids. The adrenal cortex releasing hormones is called as corticoid hormones. Releasing hormones is called as corticoid hormones. The releasing hormones are called as corticoid hormones. Next one, zona glomerulosa. Next one, zona glomerulosa. First heading, zona glomerulosa. Zona glomerulosa. So So the zona glomerulosa, it secretes mineralocorticoid hormones. It secretes mineralo secrete mineralocorticoid hormones. So the zona glomerulosa secrete hormones. So the zona glomerulosa secrete hormones. So these hormones is called as mineralocorticoids. These hormones is called as mineralocorticoids. So these hormones is called as mineralocorticoids. Next one, these hormones is called as mineralocorticoids. The chief mineralocorticoid, chief mineralocorticoid, aldosterone. Chief mineralocorticoid aldosterone, hormone aldosterone. So the aldosterone is the chief mineralocorticoid. Hormone aldosterone is chief mineralocorticoid. First heading zona glomerulosa. So they contain 3 zones or 3 regions: zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, zona reticularis. So the zona glomerulosa is the outermost membrane, zona fasciculata is the middle membrane, zona reticularis is the inner membrane. First heading zona glomerulosa. So these zona glomerulosa, they secrete the hormones. These hormones is called as mineralocorticoid hormones. These hormones is called as mineralocorticoid hormones. So the main chief mineralocorticoid hormone is aldosterone. Chief mineralocorticoid hormone is the aldosterone. Aldosterone hormone is chief hormone, is the main hormone of the zona glomerulosa. Next one, so this aldosterone function. So it maintain body water levels and electrolyte levels. It maintain, so these aldosterone functions, so it maintain, so the body water levels and body fluids levels and electrolyte levels, maintain the body fluids levels and electrolyte levels. Next one, so these hormones stimulate the another hormone, angiotensin II. The aldosterone stimulate angiotensin II hormone, stimulate angiotensin II hormone. So the aldosterone hormone stimulate the angiotensin II hormone. So these hormone main function, so they decreasing blood pressure, decreasing blood pressure, decreasing the blood pressure. So the angiotensin II. Next one, so these aldosterone function, another function, so mainly, so they are functioning on the renal tubules. Nephron contain tubules, proximal convoluted tubules, distal convoluted tubules, collecting duct. So these are the reabsorption of water and sodium ions, reabsorption of water and sodium ions, and excretion of K plus and phosphates. So they are the proximal convoluted tubules, distal convoluted tubules and collecting duct. So in these regions, so reabsorption of water, reabsorption of sodium ions and excretion of K plus and potassium ions, K plus and phosphate ions. So these are the majorly these zona glomerulosa aldosterone aldosterone hormone main function. So they are the maintain the body water, maintain the body levels of water, maintain the levels of water and electrolyte levels. Next one is also maintain the blood pressure, maintain blood pressure and blood osmotic pressure. blood osmotic pressure, blood osmotic pressure, and body fluid electrolytes, and body fluid volumes. Body fluid volume. So it maintain the blood pressure, blood colloidal osmotic pressure, electrolyte balance, and body fluid volumes. Body fluid volumes. So they are the maintain the aldosterone function. Maintain the aldosterone function. So this aldosterone is secreted from the zona glomerulosa. Once revised, so the zona glomerulosa, so they secrete the hormone is called as mineralocorticoid hormones. Mineralocorticoid hormones. So these mineralocorticoid chief hormones, the main hormone is aldosterone. Next one, it maintain the body water levels and electrolyte levels. Maintain body water levels and electrolyte levels. Next one, so the aldosterone stimulate angiotensin 2 hormone. Angiotensin 2 hormone. Next one, so these aldosterone main function the reabsorption of water and sodium ions and excretion of K plus and potassium ions. It maintain the blood pressure, blood osmotic pressure, electrolyte levels and body fluid volumes. Next one, so these any reason removal of adrenal zona glomerulosa region, removing from the zona glomerulosa, or an disease from the zona glomerulosa, so the person will be die. So the human will be die. So these are the zona glomerulosa. Next, second one, zona fasciculata. Second one, zona fasciculata. Second one, zona fasciculata. Zona fasciculata. So the zona fasciculata secrete hormones. These hormones is called as glucocorticoids. It's called glucocorticoids. Glucocorticoids secrete the hormones is called as glucocorticoid hormones. So the adrenal cortex region, second membrane, second region is the zona fasciculata. These secrete the hormones. These hormone is called as glucocorticoids. This hormone is called as glucocorticoids. Chief glucocorticoid is cortisol. Cortisol is the chief glucocorticoid. Chief glucocorticoid is cortisol. Cortisol is the chief glucocorticoid. Cortisol is the chief glucocorticoid. Next one, so these cortisol is called as life-saving hormone. It is cortisol is called as life-saving hormone. So life-saving hormone. So the cortisol is called as life-saving hormone. So it is maximum on the glucose metabolism, the carbohydrate metabolism. Main function, it is involving carbohydrate metabolism. Carbohydrate metabolism. It maintains the carbohydrate, involving in the carbohydrate metabolism. Gluconeogenesis, lipolysis and proteolysis. Lipolysis and proteolysis. Next one, so it is the main function. So these controlling of the cardiovascular system. It controlling of the cardiovascular system, cardiovascular system, and regulate kidney functions, regulate kidney functions, regulating the kidney functions. Next one is the involving of the production of RBC, So these are the zona fasciculata. So second region, zona fasciculata. So the zona fasciculata, they releasing hormones is called as glucocorticoids. Chief glucocorticoid is cortisol. So this cortisol, the life saving hormone, this hormone is called as life saving hormone. So this main function, so the involving of the carbohydrate metabolism, So this hormone, they functioning of stimulating the controlling of the cardiovascular system and the stimulating of the controlling of the kidney functions, and is involving of the production of RBC, So they are the zona fasciculata. Next one, third region, zona reticularis. So the zona reticularis, they releasing the sex hormones. It releases sex hormones. It releasing sex hormones. So the male sex hormones, the androgens. Aldosterone. So the male sex hormones. Testosterone. Testosterone is the male sex hormone. So these male sex hormone, these function, so the developing of the secondary sexual character, developing secondary sexual character. Developing secondary sexual character like facial hair, pubic hair, they coming from the production of facial hair and pubic hair. So secondary sexual character. So they are the zona reticularis. They are secreting from the sex hormone. They are releasing from the sex hormones. They are called as androgens. Like male sex hormone, testosterone. So these hormone main function, the production of the facial hair, pubic hair, axial hair. So they are production of facial, axial and pubic hair. So they are the complete from the adrenal cortex. So the adrenal cortex region contain 3 zones: zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, zona reticularis. So these 3 zones are completed. Next one, second one, adrenal medulla. So these adrenal medulla releasing hormones epinephrine and norepinephrine. It releases epinephrine and norepinephrine. So this adrenal medulla releasing from the epinephrine and norepinephrine. These 2 hormones releasing from the adrenal medulla. Next one, so these hormones releasing from the stress and emergency time. It releases only stress and emergency situation, emergency times. So they are releasing only stress and emergency times. Releasing from the 2 hormones, epinephrine and norepinephrine. these are also called as adrenaline or noradrenaline, adrenaline hormone or noradrenaline hormones. So they are releasing from the two types of the hormones. It releases only stress or emergency situation, releasing only stress time, and emergency situation only releasing from these two hormones. So these hormones is called as stress releasing hormones. Stress releasing hormones is also called as fight and flight hormones. These hormones is called as fight or flight hormones. These hormones is called as fight and fight hormones, fight or flight hormones. So in these hormones functions, the increasing of the heartbeat, increasing heartbeat rate, increasing heartbeat rate, and increasing respiration, increasing respiration. So in this hormones releasing time, so they are the eye pupils are the enlarged. So the eye pupils are enlarged, eye pupils are enlarging in this time. Next one, so the skin hair is erecting, skin hair, sweating, and increasing the bronchitis, increasing bronchias. So these are the hormone adrenal medulla. So the adrenal medulla, they releasing the hormones epinephrine and norepinephrine. So these two hormones releasing only stress or emergency situations. So in this hormone releasing, so the increasing of the heartbeat rate, increasing of the respiration process, and this time, so the eye pupils are the increases. Next one sweating, next one erection of the skin hair. So they are the adrenal medulla hormones. So totally adrenal gland. So the adrenal gland, they contain two regions, adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. So they are the adrenal gland.